high yield savings account won't make you rich, but not having one will slowly make you broke. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over the differences between regular and high yield savings account, why you should have one, the best setup for it, and going over the most popular picks right now. And hope you guys enjoy the video. So the main difference between a regular and a high yield savings account is that a regular checking account that you would have with a federal credit union, just any major bank, is going to have about a 0.01% interest rate, which basically means they're applying that rate to the balance that you have in your account and they're giving that back to you. Versus a high yield savings account, which is about 4 to 5% APY. Recently it has been about the 4% to the high threes. But yeah, so this is going to give you that instant return on your money when it's held in this high yield savings account. It's literally night and day. If you don't have your money in a high yield savings account right now, you're just being eroded by inflation year after year, which is not good. This doesn't even cover what inflation is eating into on the US dollar. It's just something to keep you afloat at this point. It's mainly just used for emergency funds, short-term savings, nothing really going too deep into investing. This is just your cash on hand. You can use it as a normal checking account. That's what I do as well. And I like to do about 3 to 6 months of my living expenses in a high yield savings account. I use it also for a checking account where my credit cards are pulled from. And I do have another video on credit cards and why you should be using them for all of your expenses that you can on the channel as well. Some of the most popular picks are like SoFi, Ally. There's a Capital One high yield savings account. Literally a ton of major banks are coming out with these now because they're losing all of their members, but I use Wealthfront personally. The common mistake that a lot of people see with these is keeping all of your money in these high yield savings account, but you should really be growing it elsewhere. This is just literal foundations of keep your money in here and you will get a return about high threes, low fours, which is really good. Since I've opened mine about a year and a half ago, I've made a little over $600 in interest, which is just free. It's most of them, or all the ones that you would be considering at least, are 250K FDIC insured, so it's very safe. It's backed by the US government. So that's all I really wanted to touch on today. This is a very foundational money basic that you should be utilizing if you don't want to have your money eroded by inflation and the Fed Reserve just printing unlimited money. Thank you guys so much for watching. Simple way to think about this is high yield savings account for safety from inflation, and you can use investments for growth.